Hey, okay, so yesterday I was doing some spring yard cleaning, and we have this area in our yard where there was a compost pile over there, and I was trying to get over there just to kind of clean shit up and realized that something smelled horrible and had a really gross discovery. Okay, so this is what ended up happening, and it turns out that it is a dead squirrel. So now I'm going to attempt to get that squirrel out of that big ass garbage and then put it in a bag, I guess, and then throw it away, and then hopefully all of my problems will be solved. Okay, so here's my idea. I'm gonna put on these gloves and I'm gonna put this in a pail. What do you call this? A bucket. Not a pail, right? Okay, so I'm gonna put the gloves on, and put it in this bucket, and shout out to all the men, all the dads, all the uncles, all the brothers, all the guys that would usually be asked to do this type of job. I used to have one of those. I don't currently. And so I'm remembering all the times when we asked my husband, kid's dad, to like pick up dead animals for us in the house, like mice. Also, cool fact, I just put my hand in here and it is wet. So that's awesome. All right, I'm gonna do this. It smells really bad, so I'm gonna put on a mask too, because otherwise I'll just throw up, and that would be cool. All right, here I go, guys. And obviously, I did give a shout out to all those guys, but I mean, I'm a girl and I'm doing it, so I know that we can do it too, ladies. It's just sucks when you have to. All right, the mask is not really helping at all, and I don't want to do this, but I'm gonna do it for you. Oh! Nope. Can't do it. Okay, so I thought I was just gonna be able to like reach in there, and then quickly could not. So I'm gonna have to think of a different way to do this. Please hold. Okay, through like further investigating, I feel like there's more than one dead squirrel in there. And I'm not really sure how I feel about that, but it's just got a little bit more interesting. I'm pretty sad that I have to do this, but also, this is pretty funny. Okay, I'm gonna do this. And then I think I'm gonna go get like a shovel or something. I'm gonna like shovel it into here. All right, wish me luck. I'm gonna go get that shovel now. All right, guys, I got my dog's pooper scooper because it already smells like shit. So my goal is to just kind of like bring it up and then put it in there. I think I can do it. There's this other nasty bucket full of like gross water from the spring. Alright, this is gonna happen, guys. I'm doing it. Oh my god, there's definitely more than one squirrel in here. Oh my god. This is disgusting. Oh my god. Ah, no. Oh my god. Here's the one. Ew! Ew. Okay, there's definitely another one in there. how the heck they went in there, I have no idea. But that was freaking gross. Yeah. Okay. There's a second one. Why are they in here, guys? Oh my god. No! 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 Gross! Oh my god. Okay, you guys, there is a third one in there. I don't like this at all. Okay. Seriously. This is my life now. All right, everyone. Here's the third one. And hopefully, this one was a surprise. I can't believe this is happening. I don't understand why this happened. I did it. Now I gotta do something with this water, but this is done. 3 freaking squirrels in here, and this will be going into the trash, I guess.